Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make paper fish. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need paper, scissors, and some glue. Selecting colorful paper will make your fish more vibrant and fun. Make sure your paper is a good size for folding, as this will be the foundation of your creation. We'll begin with a simple square sheet. Now, let's start folding the fish's body. Take your square paper and fold it diagonally to form a triangle. Then, make a few more strategic folds to begin shaping the main part of your fish. These initial folds are crucial for establishing the basic form and structure of your paper creation. With the body taking shape, it's time to add the fins and tail. Cut out smaller pieces of paper and fold them to create the fins. Carefully glue these onto the main body of your fish. For the tail, make some precise cuts to give it a distinct and flowing appearance, adding to the fish's character. Finally, let's bring your paper fish to life with some decoration. Use markers to draw expressive eyes and intricate scales, giving it personality. Feel free to add glitter or other embellishments for extra sparkle and flair. Once complete, your unique paper fish is ready to be displayed for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.